Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to enhance the Divi Person module by adding a website icon for your team members or individuals. The Divi Person module is a fantastic way to display profiles, complete with names, positions, bios, and social media links. However, it doesn't have a built-in option for linking directly to a person's website. We'll show you how to easily add this functionality, allowing visitors to access personal or professional sites with a single click. Let's get started. To add a website icon to the Divi Person module, you'll need to use the Divi Booster plugin. This plugin provides a custom website URL field, making the process simple and effective. With it, you can create the module, enter the desired website address, and then confirm on the front end that the icon appears correctly with the appropriate styling and functionality. For detailed steps and setup, check out the accompanying post linked below. Next, let's add the website address to the Person module. Open the module's settings and scroll down until you find the custom field labeled Website URL. This field is added by the Divi Booster plugin. Once you locate it, simply enter the full website address you'd like to display for this person. For example, you could enter example.com. Once this is done, the module will generate a new dedicated website icon for this team member. Once you've added the name, position, and website URL to your Person module, it's time to publish your changes. Simply click the Publish button in Divi Builder. This will save everything and update your site with the new team member entry. Once you've published your changes, it's time to check your page from the front end. Look at the Person module, specifically in the Social Links area beneath the team member's details. Here, you should see a new website icon displayed alongside any other social icons. Make sure this icon links to the website address you entered earlier and that it's styled as a clickable, professional-looking icon. And that's it. With just a few quick adjustments in the Divi Person module and the help of Divi Booster, you can seamlessly add a professional website icon for each team member. This simple addition connects your visitors directly to their personal or professional sites, enhancing both functionality and user experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.